Okay, what I'm creating is moving the bird bath over more so it doesn't tilt this way. I believe I got it straight. I'm going to check with the level. Now it's level. As you can see by the thing, we got a fly on the thing, but I'll show you that it's level. See it? It's level. There's a fly right there. You're going to get crushed. You want to see that it is level. It is level. Almost. I'm going to squish it a little more around. And there we are. There's the bird feeder right there. Let's see if it's crooked or not. I don't think so. There it is. That's better. So now we can fill it up with water and try it out. Watch for the rest of the video in Garden Aquatics Remix. They said it was going to do this today.